what makes the room even taller, I feel like, is it's giving you a direction.
Yeah, so that one goes here. This goes here. What's the name?
It makes it more of a light brown, buttery look to it. It's not far off from.
That?
I was thinking, I was like, I don't know if it just a post idea like for downstairs if we wanted to.
But I like that joinery there. That's pretty tight.
Yeah, like a stark white.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stark white or bright white or
Yeah.
ugly white or white white.
Something in contrast with the walls. Did you get the Jack and Jill bathroom? You want to take a look at it?
Okay.
Well, maybe. At first I was saying yes, but then I know we're trying to keep a contemporary, modern, traditional balance. So I think that would be nice to stop it here, because a lot of people would expect for it, like, oh, this is traditional, and they see it, but because it's a modern mix.
It would be very nice, but
Okay.
See, down.
too much.
So
But I have there's some paints. I know we wanted to stay away from the beige, so a lot of the paints that I have like well, this one's way too blue, but either a blue or like a gray.
look at this. She got the tile.
This is the cabinets. Wow. And then this is the type of look. This is a porcelain slab that I had, black marble or a black, and then a white will just do the same. Okay. So
This was Kim. She didn't even know that, but
Yeah.
this is Kim right there. Every time I'm, hey Kim, what are you doing? Hold on a second. Isn't that cool?
This is gorgeous.
Not like dealing with architecture style.
Yeah, that was pretty good for somebody who's balancing like 16 items. And put them on top.
I like the light on the side. Because then it's like the shadows.
and the like